Hey guys, today I'm going to propagate ZZ plant. To make your propagation station more attractive, instead of using the regular tap water or the water for your propagation, here I'm trying to use water balls. These are the results after propagating the ZZ plant. Now let's get started to propagate them. Choose a leaf which is a mature one, which is in a yellowish greenish color. Twist the leaf and pluck it off from the stem. Here are the few instructions you should keep in mind while plucking their leaves is that don't use a pair of scissors to cut them off, use your finger manually to twist them and pluck them off. These are the propagation which has turned into a new leaf within a month. While plucking, you should always remember that the leaf is not get scratched roughly, otherwise it might not get germinate. Now, after plucking the leaves, give it a few hours to let it dry off so that it can form the callus. Then you should propagate them through water. Now, after waiting few hours, I have taken a small jar and pouring some fresh water which is not contaminated and just placing the leaf into it. While placing the leaf into the water, always try to remember to fill the water only at the bottom level where the root will going to arise. Don't overfill it or fill at the top, otherwise it might get rot whole the leaf. After few weeks you will find that there is a bulb growing, and from that bulb there will be root growing soon, and there will be a short root system growing very soon. Keep this propagation station at an area where it receives a moderate light condition. Don't keep it at a too bright condition or too darkness area. After few weeks later, you will also find that there are browning of tips and the yellowing of the whole leaf. No need to worry because it's a natural process so that the new ones can come out. After few weeks later, this is the final stage of this leaf which will going to shed off soon in the few days, and from the bulb the little pups will come out. This is the condition when the leaf has been shed off and only the bulb left with a few root system and the two leaf. Soon I will repot them into the soil so that they can have better nourishing and can have a better growth on them. To make your propagation station look fancy and a beautiful one, you can also use these water balls in a small container jar where you can put your propagating plants. Basically, the function of the water balls is that when you keep them, it will soon losing the water and it will shrink down into the small size as previous and will provide the water requirement to your propagating plants. It will also help your propagation station look beautiful and doesn't create any messy, but you have to change the balls regularly as because it will shrink down and will not have water content. Soon after transplanting, you will find that there are babies and the mother plant growing.